Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add contacts on Yahoo Mail. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Yahoo Mail application, which of course I have done right here. The next one is how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? It is simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type yahoomail.com or you can just type in Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Once you're done installing, click on open and that takes you right into the sign up page for Yahoo Mail. In there, you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in or log in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. Now, through here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add contacts on Yahoo Mail. From this homepage, I'd like you to check the top of your screen where you have a couple of tabs, which include Inbox, Attachment, Start, Unread, People. So go ahead and click on People. And once you click on People, it takes you over here. If you check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find View All. Now, select View All. And once you select View All, it takes you over here where it says No Contact Found. Now, at the top right corner, again, you're going to find the plus icon. So click on the plus icon and that takes you here where you can now add your contact. So over here in this first communication bar, go ahead and type in the name of the contact, then the company that the contact works in, and the title, let's say Miss, Mr., Mrs., and go ahead and add the email address of the contact and add the phone number of the contact. And of course, once you're done adding all of these details, go ahead and click on this good icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, don't forget, for you to do a little bit of customization, go ahead and click on this edit photo button over here at the top corner to add a photo of that contact. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.